Hello everybody, I'm Fisher. I'm a product advisor and leasing specialist here at North London Toyota. And today we have a very short, informative video for you. We're going to be talking about putting the vehicle into accessory mode. Also, we're going to be talking about comparing your Bluetooth device to the vehicle. So we're going to give you a little bit of information here. It should be helpful. Let's dive right into it. I'll meet you in the vehicle. So to put your vehicle into accessory mode is very, very easy. You might be asking yourself, why do I need to put my vehicle in accessory mode? Well, you don't need to. But for us at the dealership, for instance, it's very helpful if we're showing a vehicle to a customer and we want to essentially run the vehicle, but without turning on the gas engine and basically smoking everybody out in here. We can turn the vehicle on accessory mode and show some of the different features. Might be helpful if you're at like the drive-in or something like that, or if you just want to idle your vehicle without using fuel. So to start the vehicle in accessory mode, you have your key here. You press the start button once and then you press it twice. And you can see that all the electronics here are coming on the vehicle, and I can function it just as I would if it was running. And then so now that it's running, we will show you how to connect the Bluetooth. Okay, so we've got the vehicle in accessory mode, or it's running, the same thing. Now you can see our main screen here. We have a menu screen in settings. We have a whole bunch of different customizations and different menus that you can go into. When you get into your brand new Toyota vehicle, it's probably going to look something like this, or like this, or like this, or any number of these things. If you go into your settings option, that's the little gear icon, and you don't really need to scroll down, but if we see Bluetooth and devices here, all I'm going to do is click on Bluetooth and devices, and then on the main screen, I'm going to go search for devices. Now, this is looking to pair for a device. Now, what I need to do is go onto my super smartphone. I open it up, I go to Bluetooth. On Bluetooth, you can see that it's just found the Tundra here. So I click on the Tundra. You can see that the front screen has already seen my phone and is trying to pair with it. So I'm going to click OK on the front screen. I'm going to click pair on my phone. It's going to say, do you want to sync to your contacts? The experience is much better if I click allow. So I click allow. Now I have both of these pairing together. Okay. Yes. I'm accepting all the different permissions that it needs in order to transfer information back and forth. Once it's connected, boom, and there we are. I've successfully connected my Apple CarPlay and my Bluetooth to my vehicle while I'm in accessory mode without using any fuel. I hope that's helpful. If you're looking for us at North London Toyota, you can reach us at 519-451-3880 or see us online at northlondontoyota.com. My name is Fisher. I'm a product advisor and leasing specialist here. We have Dylan behind the camera. He's also an exceptional salesperson. Like I said, if you're looking for us at North London Toyota, you know how to reach us. Thanks for watching.